Want a quick, easy way to clean your stovetop? Watch my video for how to.
Have you got a lot of baked on dirt and grime and gunk all on top of your stovetop? Well, here's how to clean it easily. Get a box of baking soda and liberally sprinkle it on top of your stovetop. Next, turn the burners on to high for about 5 seconds and then immediately turn them off. This is going to heat up the elements, so when you put your vinegar on it, it will sizzle and loosen up a lot of the very baked on dirt and grease and grime. There you go. Pour some white vinegar where the baking soda is and listen to that sizzle. That's activating it to clean it. Next, you'll want to get a scrubby that is made specifically for flat top stoves so you don't mar the finish. Gently rub around the areas where there is really built up dirt and grime and baked on particles. After you're done with that, add more baking soda to all of the white vinegar and smush it around with your fingers until you have a very light paste of baking soda and vinegar. You're going to let this sit overnight and it will work its magic in the morning. In the morning, you can start gently scrubbing away all of the baking soda. Keep rinsing out your scrubby and removing the paste. After this, wipe several times with a clean, damp cloth, and there you go. Your stovetop looks brand new.
And that's how you clean the stovetop. If you like this video, click like and please subscribe so you can watch more cleaning how-tos with Logan Wells. Thanks for watching.